Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Automate.io alternatives via Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Zapier account set up. If you don't have one, visit zapier.com and sign up. Once logged in, navigate to your Zapier dashboard. Next, look for the Make a Zap button. Click on it to start creating a new Zap. You will be prompted to choose a trigger app. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to use. Select your chosen app from the search results. Then, choose a specific trigger event from the options provided. After selecting the trigger, click the Continue button. Now, connect your account for the chosen app if prompted. You may need to enter your account credentials or provide permission. Once connected, click on Continue to proceed. You will be taken to a section to set up the trigger. Follow the prompts to customize your trigger settings. Once you finish, click on Test Trigger to ensure everything works correctly. If the test is successful, click Continue. Next, search for the action app you wish to use. Again, type the app's name in the search bar. Choose the specific action event for this app. Click Continue after selecting the action. Now, connect your account for the action app similarly. Once connected, proceed by clicking Continue. In this section, customize your action settings. Map relevant fields from your trigger app to the action app. Once everything is set up, click on Test and Continue. This will execute a test of your Zap to confirm it works. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap. Your Zap will now be active and running. To manage or edit your Zap later, return to your dashboard. You have successfully registered and integrated Automate.io alternatives via Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.